Yeah, here we have a Milwaukee 4210-1 electromagnetic drill press. This is a stationary base. We have it powered up. We checked the magnet. It does operate, and we're going to try it in forward. There's a variable speed control. Hit the E-stop right here, and we'll go in the opposite direction, which is reverse. Variable speed control again. Turn the machine off. We checked all the functions here, and everything appears to operate very nicely. This is an unused item. One of the handles right here, the little plastic handles, has a small chip out of it. It still operates. And there's a small ding right here on the corner of the threads. Doesn't affect the proper operation of the unit whatsoever at all. Like I said, overall it's in really good condition.